Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Big Sal here today. We're going to be looking at the Forest River Heritage Glen 272 rear living model. It's a new model that we just got in. We're going to be carrying a beautiful unit. It's LTZ. How good is that? It's got the bigger propane tanks. It's got a power jack, a nice pass-through over here with a battery kill switch over there and a light. And it is an aluminum trailer. Power stabilizing jacks, magnetic holds and slam latch. And then it's got the solid step entry with the big handle, which is really nice. Friction hinge door. And then over here we've got a little spot. If you want to put a TV out here, you can. And then over here we have an outside sink and refrigerator, a little storage place, some storage, a bottle opener built in there. It's got a light in here as well. And then this has an awning that goes over all of this, so you're under the awning, which is really nice. So I'm going to close that back up and let's go inside and take a look inside and see what it has. Now with this double pop out, it really makes this whole area seem so much bigger. Nice, beautiful skylight. Beautiful upgraded oven, microwave, nice countertops, beautiful backsplash, nice fridge. You got your drying rack, big stainless steel sink. Lots of storage, lots of drawers. That's one of the cool things about this new model. It does have a ton of storage and they're deep drawers. Beautiful fireplace and entertainment center, all built in there, real nice. Nice little end tables, couch, and recliners over here. Big windows to look out, so when you're back in your spot, you've got great views. Beautiful dinette. And let's take a look over here in the bathroom. It's got a corner shower, nice medicine cabinet. Actually has a little bit of storage in here as well. Little skylight in there. Now into the master. Now the master bedroom's got built-in cabinets as well. Place to put your CPAP. Nice little closet, storage up above. Built-in drawers here for all your clothes and pants and shirts. More closet space over here. Really a nice unit, really well put together. There's little hooks on the walls out here for when you walk in to hang your jacket. Just a lot of little cool features that they've added to it. All right, folks, this is a gorgeous new unit that we have here at Guaranty RV. We have several beautiful units just like this one. If you want to see one, or you want some information on one, or you'd like to come take a tour, or you just want to meet Big Sal, come see me. 951-443-8323. Thank you.